Hello distant cousins, this is Jason, and in this video I'll be showing you the best way how to make $100 per day online free. No prior knowledge needed, no experience, nothing like that. This is completely beginners friendly. This is the best way how to start making $100 per day. No investment, no website needed. By the way, if you like content like this on how to make money online, be sure to hit the subscribe button as I will be releasing daily videos like these. The website that we'll be using, let me show you, it's FindAForum. And on this website, the name says, you can find numerous forums from all over the world with lots of members. And how will we be making money using this website? Well, we'll be doing affiliate marketing. Hold on. I know when you hear affiliate marketing, it kind of put you off because you're saying that you'll have to sell something to get paid. And you know that most people don't like to purchase. They will look on the item, yes, but they don't want to purchase it or they don't want to spend money. They wouldn't mind if they could get it for free. Well, the technique that I'm going to be showing you, they can actually get the product for free and you will still be getting paid the affiliate commission. How will you be able to do that? Well, be sure to stick around until the end. Okay? The website that we're going to be using to promote the affiliate program is audiobooks. Audible. As you may know, Audible is under the Amazon company line. And Audible is basically you go on there and you listen various audiobooks. And they have some of the top audiobooks from all over the world. From some of the top authors out there. And I personally like to listen to the one from David Goggins. And I also listen to some Grant Cardone. And I'm sure you more than likely have listened to an Audible book in the past. Anyways, let's check out Audible Affiliate Program. And by the way, you can simply type in Audible Affiliate Program. And to get some information on them, let me show you. First off, you're going to promote them, yeah? And with the website that we're going to use to promote them, is FindAForum, as I had shown you. And you're going to simply drive traffic to the link and you're going to earn. Why do I say it's completely free? Well, as you can see here, once a person signs up for a free trial program on Audible, you will get $5. Yes, that's correct. Completely free. Once they sign up for a free trial program, they don't have to purchase anything at all. So even if after the 30 days they cancel their trial program and they don't continue to subscribe, you'll get your $5. Imagine that. I know it's a surprise, yeah? But that's true. You will be getting your $5. And if they sign up, as you can see here, if they sign up for Audible Gold Digital Membership, you will get $10. And on each Audible audiobook they purchase, you'll be getting 50 cents. Now, how will you be promoting Audible on FindAForum? Well, let me show you. When it comes to Audible, as I tell you, there are numerous audiobooks available, right? How to find the best audiobooks, for instance, on the FindAForum, we'll go on FindAForum, yeah? And there are numerous niches that you can go in. And the forum niche that I will be using for this example is mental health, the mental health niche, as you can see here. So we'll simply sign up to one of these niches, and then we'll simply do a Google search. As you know, Google is our best friend. And we'll search for most popular audiobooks on mental health. And as you can see here, here are some recommendations. Now you're going to find these books on Audible. And you're going to get the link for them, as you can see here. Feeling good. And you'll simply get the link, and each one you can see has a little preview. And remember, it's completely free. So you'll be advertising these books on the forum for free, and then they will be clicking on your link and going onto Audible and listening it for free, and you will be getting $5 for that. Crazy, right? And as you can see, there are numerous forums that you can sign up with, and there are numerous niches that you can go into, as you can see here. So you can use this concept for the weight loss niche, the internet marketing niche, the real estate niche, and also Harry Potter fans. And you can also, as I was showing you a while ago, for the mental health. And the stock market niche is definitely taking off now. You can do that with the stock market niche. And also video editing. which is also a very popular niche. And again, hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.